Hello, my name is Asianair, and today I will be showing you a tutorial on how to use Grammarly. Grammarly is an AI tool used to enhance your writing skills. So there are several advantages of using Grammarly. It provides instant proofreading, clarity improvements, tone suggestions, fluency, and paraphrasing. It is free to sign up. I do already have an account. If you don't, you can click here to sign up. But since I have an account, it will automatically take me to Grammarly. Another way to access it is here from my desktop. If I double click, it will appear here and I just click new document and it will open in a new browser. So going back here, if um you can upload a new document or you can click here and upload a file. I will click on new document and that will bring me here. Again, you can copy and paste or hit upload from here as well. Before we get into it, I will show you some of the features. Over here on the side, there's a menu button. You have a home, new document, upload, download, print. You can click here to see your version history, editor settings, and you can also sign out of your account, support, things like that can be found here. At the top, you can select goals or your overall score. We'll get into that a little bit later. So let's go ahead and test it out. I do have something from a Word document from an introduction that I posted earlier in my blog. So I'm going to basically copy and paste that. Uh-oh. Okay, I actually want to copy and then um, go back to Grammarly and then paste it. So now that it is there, it comes up with some goals that I can set: domain, intent, audience, formality. I'm good with everything that is selected. Actually, I'm just going to click academic here. And MLA style, you can even click the format, click done. So as you can see, it already gives me my overall score and they have several suggestions here that I can either accept or dismiss. So I recommend that you really pay attention to what they are suggesting to make sure whether or not you want to accept them or not. So for instance, this one right here, I'm just gonna click dismiss. You can click the different categories: correctness, clarity, engagement, delivery, and then style. Another cool feature is that you can do a plagiarism check, and Grammarly will check your work to make sure you don't have any plagiarism. And if you do, they have like where you can get the reference and actually cite it, the different styles that needs to be cited in. So I'm just going to click dismiss for now. So that is pretty much the basics of how to use Grammarly. Go back to review suggestions. Um, if you click your overall score, you can see more details on that: characteristics, words, how many sentences, the length. You can also download this report. So this is pretty much how to use Grammarly. I do utilize it through work, daily, and school. Another thing is if you have it um, here, like if I'm in a Word document, it automatically pops up here with suggestions from Grammarly as well. So I think that is a pretty cool feature. So if you have not tried Grammarly, I hope that this tutorial was helpful to you and that you will consider giving it a try to help enhance your writing.